宝宇 BML 2700 direct drive cylinder bed interlock sewing machine with auto trimming. This model is newly upgraded from the original model. The lower main shaft adopts the integrated design of direct drive motor. Faster, up to 6,000 RPM per minute. The whole machine has low vibration, light sound, and higher efficiency. The needle bar stroke is 31mm and 33mm, which can change between light and thin sewing and has wider adaptability. The top-bottom feed mechanism can be adjusted independently and accurately. It can solve the problems of wrinkling and pleating of virus fabrics and twisting of two-layer sewing. The oil pan is designed with ventilation, which can cool the oil faster and operate more stably. Automatic cooling. The central threading cam. The thread passing in bottom thread is more stable and the stitch is more perfect. Horizontal holder. Air suction holder. Keep the trimming stable. Electromagnet trimmer. Short thread end. Cylinder circumference 286mm. Recessed cylinder bed design 40mm. Wide sewing adaptability.